Welcome to our video on how to use ChatGPT-4o. Today we'll explore how this powerful AI can help you in your daily life, whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about AI. Let's dive in and discover the tips and tricks that will make ChatGPT-4o your go-to tool. ChatGPT-4o is an advanced AI developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. Whether you need help with homework, writing, coding, or just want to have a conversation, ChatGPT-4o is here to assist you. Let's start with how ChatGPT-4o can assist students with their homework. Imagine you're stuck on a math problem. You can ask ChatGPT-4o to explain the steps to solve it. For instance, "Hey ChatGPT, can you help me solve this algebra equation? 2x plus 3 equals 7. Need help with science? Ask ChatGPT-4o to explain complex concepts in a simple way." For example, ChatGPT, can you explain how photosynthesis works? Struggling with history? ChatGPT-4o can provide detailed explanations of historical events. Try asking, what caused the fall of the Roman Empire? Next, let's see how ChatGPT-4o can help with writing tasks. Writing an essay can be daunting. ChatGPT-4o can help you brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and even draft paragraphs. For instance, ChatGPT, can you help me write an introduction for my essay on climate change? If you're into creative writing, ChatGPT-4o can help you generate story ideas, develop characters, and write dialogue. Try asking, ChatGPT, can you help me come up with a plot for a fantasy story? ChatGPT-4o can also help proofread and edit your work. Simply paste your text and ask for feedback. For example, ChatGPT, can you proofread my article and suggest improvements? For those interested in coding, ChatGPT-4o is a great resource. Stuck with a bug? ChatGPT-4o can help you debug your code. Ask something like, ChatGPT, here's my Python code that's not working. Can you help me find the error? Want to learn a new programming language? ChatGPT-4o can provide tutorials and examples. Try asking, ChatGPT, can you teach me the basics of JavaScript? Need a quick code snippet? ChatGPT-4o can generate code for specific tasks. For example, ChatGPT, can you write a function in Python to store a list of numbers? ChatGPT-4o offers unlimited prompts, making it versatile for various daily tasks. Use ChatGPT-4o as a personal assistant to set reminders, make to-do lists, or plan your day. For instance, ChatGPT, can you help me create a to-do list for tomorrow? If you're learning a new language, ChatGPT-4o can help with translations and practice conversations. Try asking, ChatGPT, how do you say good morning in Spanish? For general knowledge and trivia, ChatGPT-4o is a great resource. Ask it anything like, ChatGPT, what are some interesting facts about space? Finally, ChatGPT-4o excels at generating long and informational content. Need help with research papers? ChatGPT-4o can assist in gathering information and structuring your paper. For example, ChatGPT, can you help me write a research paper on the impacts of global warming? For bloggers, ChatGPT-4o can help generate content ideas and write detailed posts. Try asking, ChatGPT, can you help me write a blog post on healthy eating habits? ChatGPT-4o can assist in writing reports and creating presentations. For instance, ChatGPT, can you help me draft a business report on market trends? ChatGPT-4o is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your daily life. Whether you're a student, a writer, a coder, or just someone curious about AI, there's something for everyone. Start exploring ChatGPT-4o today and unlock its full potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using ChatGPT-4o. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.